AI is already flying with us and transforming our factories, always under strict human control. At Airbus, artificial intelligence is already a reality. Today, AI is powering autonomous flight capabilities, analyzing massive satellite imagery datasets, and shielding our cybersecurity. Our ambition is to embed AI everywhere in the company, but always ensuring an ethical and responsible use. At Airbus, compliance is not a bottleneck. We believe it's a powerful business enabler. By embedding ethics, safety, and regulatory requirements from the very beginning of the technology lifecycle, we will really avoid costly re-engineering, costly regulatory penalties, and mitigating risk, and at the end, we protected our brand. Airbus is a global company with presence in the 5 continents, but very strong European roots. We defend and believe in the European values for the safety, respect the human rights, and ethics. So that's why we promote ethical and responsible use of AI, putting always in the center what is the most precious resource, our people. Malaga is a digital epicenter. Events like this really are a unique opportunity to benchmark with the best of our companies, other industries, exchange with peers facing the same challenges as us, and at the end, to boost the European innovation ecosystem. Airbus is pioneering the sustainable aerospace in a safe and united world, but we cannot do it alone. We need you. We need to partner with digital technology partners, with the research institutes, and at the end of the day, with all the talent congregated here in the TES Malaga.